It is not over until the succession it implicitly promised, a transition away from permanent one-man rule is completed. It is not over until the people of Zimbabwe exercise their sovereign right to choose their next president directly, freely, and without constitutional manipulation designed to predetermine the outcome. Sanapenda mashoko otagwa panguva ino ini mageneral. Don't subscribe while I got on the bell icon. Aenda mirachiti. It will be over when General Chiwenga is sworn in, not before. On those working to block him, I speak not to the networks, commercial, political, and media that are actively working to prevent that history is already written. You are not going to succeed. I say this is not a threat. I say it as an analyst who has watched Zimbabwe's politics for 6 decades and do understand something fundamental about how power actually moves in this country. You cannot, and invented November 2017, you cannot erase from institutional memory what General Chiwenga did, what he risked, and what he is owed. You cannot promote enough record retirees, reassign enough loyal commanders, fund enough praise singers, or pass enough amendment bills to change the fundamental reality that the men and women who matter inside the Zimbabwe security establishment know exactly what the succession covenant is. They know, they understand, and they are watching. The cyclone does not announce itself, but everyone who has lived through a Zimbabwean political season knows when the weather is changing. To Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga directly, I address him now not as a subordinate to a superior, but as a fellow soldier who has watched this country long enough to know what this moment requires. Do not be moved, do not be provoked, do not give your enemies the ammunition of an intemperate response. History is working in your direction. The Constitution is working in your direction. The people are working in your direction. Your enemies are spending enormous resources, political, financial, and institutional, to stop something that the calendar and the Constitution have already decided. That expenditure tells you everything about their confidence in their own position. Doma developments are kuda panguva inoi. Pena comment section medu zafungura inyi muri kudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.